In today's video, learn how to make big money on YouTube by posting lo-fi beats, made only with the help of artificial intelligence. Lo-fi beats is actually short for low-fidelity beats, which is a subgenre of electronic music that gained significant popularity in the last few years because of its calming and soothing experience it provides to the listener. It's especially popular amongst a younger audience because they use it to study, chill, read, or just as background music when they hang out. And they get millions of views on YouTube daily. Check out this creator, LoFi Girl. It's one of the most famous ones out there. This channel has 13.1 million subscribers and 411 videos. All of them are lo-fi music with some animation of a girl or a boy laying in bed or studying with headphones, and usually there's a cat here. It was published 3 years ago and now has 98 million views. Let's listen to it. Now, when you convert this to revenue per mil, which is a metric that represents how much money you've earned per 1,000 video views, and even if that revenue per mil is $1, this creator made $98,000 on this video alone. Let that sink in. Now, let's face it, this creator worked hard to become iconic. Every one of us once in a while listened to lo-fi beats made by this channel. Even the animation of a girl listening to these lo-fi beats sitting by a laptop and studying, and this cat wagging his tail here became a recognizable figurine amongst the online community. But don't think that gathering a lot of traffic on lo-fi beats on YouTube is impossible, it's unreachable, and don't think that you need to hire a graphic designer, a video editor, or a musician to do this, because we can use AI to our advantage and make similar content to this in a matter of minutes. Before we do that, let's check what it takes for a channel on YouTube to become monetized. YouTube monetization is defined as your ability to derive income from your videos. If you're interested in qualifying, you need at minimum 1,000 subscribers to your channel and 4,000 watch hours over the last 12 months. But getting 1,000 subscribers to your channel, don't think that that's unreachable, undoable. It's actually pretty easy if you post regular, high-quality content, and you are going to do that. And considering the fact that YouTube has 2.1 billion monthly active users, and they're all gonna be your potential audience. But getting 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months is something that is going to take time, patience, and devotion. Now, just a quick note here, this is not a fast money road you're taking, but it is a very, very profitable one if done right. And also checking both of these boxes, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months, does not mean that you will automatically get your channel monetized. There are certain community guidelines that you must pay attention to and stick to. And one of them is creating and posting original content. So downloading one of these from this creator or someone else is not going to get you anywhere, or even downloading something like this and changing it a bit is also not going to work. What you want to do if you look up to people like this, you need to make similar content, but from scratch. And remember, at the beginning of this video, we said that we are going to do that with the help of artificial intelligence. So first up is creating visual content. As you can see, this environment is very cozy. This animation of a cat and girl studying, flipping through the pages, as is every one of these. So what we're going to do is we're going to use an AI tool that is going to help us create something of a similar cozy environment as this one here. You simply go to midjourney.com and you join the beta, and they're going to direct you to their Discord. Once you're there, you're going to join one of these newbies rooms, and it's actually a good thing that you're here with all these other people. even though it can get a bit chaotic sometimes, you can always use their prompts, see what they're doing, see what works for you, and get a bit more familiar with Midjourney in general with these people. Now, whenever you use Midjourney, there's a /imagine that opens up a prompt, and this is the prompt I wrote to get something similar as this on LoFi Girl channel. So it's a cozy picture of a person studying in a room, dimmed lighting, cozy atmosphere with tea, a dog and a blanket, a few candles. Once I send it, here is the Midjourney bot waiting to start working on my prompt. And at first, the images are going to show up as very blurry, but as this percentage goes up, you'll see the pictures clearer. I am honestly amazed with the results I got here. These are the 4 pictures I asked for, and they are just astonishing. And as you can see here on all 4 of them, there really is this dimmed lighting, cozy atmosphere that would really go well with some lo-fi beats playing in the background. Now, of course, if you make a prompt and you're not happy with the results, you can always save one of these and prompt AI to keep working on it until you're happy with the results. I wouldn't change a thing on these. As I said earlier, make sure to check out what other people are doing, what stuff they put here in their prompts, and what kind of results they got. Now, this channel probably hired graphic designers or illustrators to do this for them, but you don't have to do that because prompting AI and really seeing the extent to which it can go with the images is just astonishing, and you do not need to hire anyone on Fiverr or Upwork because you have this amazing tool. After you've made your visuals, now it's time to actually do the most important part, which is making lo-fi beats. As we said, we are going to use AI tools for that as well. This is Boomy. You can unleash your creativity and make music even if you've never made music before. You simply click on create your song and you sign in with Apple, Google, or Facebook. Okay, so after you verify that you're human, Boomy already lets you create a song, and you can select your style by choosing the instrumental style of your song, and you simply go to lo-fi. Now, Boomy is good because it lets you include background noise, audio imperfections, and mistakes made by the performer, which is something that describes lo-fi beats. I'm going to go with the Rainy Nights for this, and then Boomy gets to composing your song. After composing, it gets to recording, and here you can add vocals, you can rewrite it, rearrange it, and add instruments and sound, and you can listen to the preview. You can also add instruments, change the mixing, use some drums and sound effects, which is really important for lo-fi beats. I'm going to add some light rain. There's also waves. As I've said, you have the edit arrangement option as well. And of course, if you don't like it, just like with Midjourney, you can prompt it to try again until you're happy with the result. And another cool AI tool for making music is Creator's AIVA.ai. But just for the purpose of this video, I used Boomy. AIVA or AIVA is also very user-friendly and just gives you great options when you're making lo-fi beats. Next up is to determine whether your music or your audio goes well with the visual. That is also very important, that it gives out the same vibe. And then you get to editing your video. You can use Adobe Premiere Pro, and these are the 15 best free video editing softwares, anything from HitFilm Express to Video Grabber. And when you're done with your video, upload it to your YouTube channel and start working on that process of getting your channel monetized. Remember, this is not a fast money road, but it is a very, very profitable one, if done right. AI really gives you all the tools, all the resources you need in order to make something similar to this content right here without actually putting in a lot of effort as this creator did. So be patient and watch that revenue per mil grow and grow and get your income. Thanks for watching.